Hey, good morning. Happy Thursday. And I wanted to just kind of come in and wish you an awesome Thursday and hope you had a great week and continue with my self-love series that I had this week. And just to let you know that sometimes self-love it's difficult. And even though maybe we might be doing some things for self-love, we're not really realizing that we might have some undercurrents of things we're not happy about ourselves. And I know that's happened to me like quite a bit. And especially it's been difficult for me. It's been a desire, but it's been difficult to be on Facebook and reveal a lot of things and do a lot of the things that I am doing, like my podcast and starting a Facebook group and just being on video. It's not been very easy, and I just want to let you know I appreciate all the support that you guys have given me so far, and I'm going to be doing more and more videos as I feel comfortable. So just I want to give you the opportunity to just take a moment and go look in the mirror. Or maybe videotape yourself. This is something that was really impactful for me. Was I just started videotaping myself. And I didn't show anybody. I just videotaped myself. And I looked at myself through the lens of my children and my mother and people who love me. And then felt that love for myself and realized, to me, I am lovable to me. And it was a paradigm shift for me and so helpful. And so what had changed then was that I'm not so concerned about what people think or what people are going to say, because that's not going to change how I feel about myself. I think about that. And so I'm a little bit more relaxed in the things that I feel like saying and doing. And of course, it's like a muscle. You have to strengthen it. And we all definitely have to keep exercising that so that we can have that love be our armor for ourselves. And not take in a lot of other people's beliefs and opinions that don't belong to us. And that we can sit there in our own self-love and decide what we want to believe in and discard the rest and not take things personally because we have that armor of self-love. So definitely try this on for size. I think you might find it an unique experience. So if you do this, put a comment below and let me know how it turned out for you. So anyway, have a great Thursday, and I am going to enjoy my Dunkin' Donuts coffee, which is my favorite thing to do every morning. And today I was very excited because I ran out of Dunkin' Donuts coffee at home. So I got to go to my favorite Dunkin' Donuts shop and have them make it for me because it's so much better there and I get a lot more. So anyway, have a great rest of your day.